Welcome back to Yolk Boys, where the yolk is always the star of the show. Today I'm going to show you how to make this keto-friendly cheesy garlic bread. No flour, no carbs, just egg whites, cheese and spices, and an air fryer. Let's go. First step, we got to whip those egg whites. So crack them into a separate bowl and separate them from the yolk, just like I did, using your preferred method. And then we're going to add a little bit of our seasoning in there and start whisking these things until they're nice and stiff, almost like a meringue. Once you get this stiff meringue-like texture here that almost looks like a whipped cream, you know you're in the right place. Next, just toss in that shredded cheese of your choice, and this is the magic. When it air fries, it's going to crisp up like bread, but it's going to stay nice and gooey on the inside. So just fold this in with a spatula if you have one. Next, you just want to get some parchment paper and line your air fryer with it, and we're going to scoop these things into little bread rounds. Keep them as even as possible, that way they cook evenly. And now it's air fryer time. We're doing 375 for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's golden and bubbly and smells kind of like a pizzeria in your kitchen. Now this step is completely optional, but I had some leftover shredded cheese, so I figured why not top these things off and get a little bit of cheese crust on the outside. Oh yeah! Those actually look pretty done. Let's pull this thing apart real quick. And look at that. Nice and cheesy, that's for sure. Let's give this thing a quick try. Yolk's up. You know, there is some garlic bread action going on there. Nice crispy edges and gooey, cheesy interior. It's got a little bit of that egginess to it. Not so much as bread-like as I thought it would be. But actually pretty dang good. It's fluffy, it's gooey inside, it's crispy on the outside. You know, whether you're going keto or you just like a nice light crispy snack in the afternoon, this one actually hits pretty hard and it's very easy to make. So you're going to want to save this recipe for the next time you make spaghetti. And if you have a favorite garlic bread dip recipe, throw it in the comments. Maybe we'll look at it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. And yolk's up.